Hear your phone, on the line, the cash in hand.
Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? What you waiting for?
Good morning. The fact that it's 9:50 and I'm up is shocking to me because I've been getting up super late these days and it's not a vibe. But I'm trying to be better. Today's Tuesday and I'm gonna go for like a walk and like a mini workout. Yesterday I did legs and today I'm going to be doing like some back, just upper body in general. So I already brushed my teeth and I'm gonna change into something real quick. So I threw on this top from Gymshark and these shorts from Amazon. Now I'm gonna do my hair and just put it up in a pony. I'm gonna put some oil in it because I'm gonna wash it when I come back up since it looks like this. I'm using the My Owl rosemary oil. I'm exhausted. I tried to go to bed early last night. I was in bed by like 9 o'clock and I was just on my phone and watching YouTube videos. So I ended up going to sleep at 12, but I kept tossing and turning the entire night. In my apartment tour video, I mentioned that I wasn't gonna be here for too long and people were asking me why I said that. It's not that I plan on just leaving like in a month or two. I just meant that when the lease is up, I'm probably not gonna renew it because the walls here are so thin to the point where my sleep is getting disturbed. Because if people are walking above me or doing stuff next to me, I hear everything. And I'm kind of a light sleeper nowadays just because obviously I have to be like on guard in case like something happens. But I haven't been able to sleep properly for like a long time. I think it's been months. I literally would have stayed in bed today, but I was like, you know what, let me just get up and I have things to do today, so just try to be productive. Plus I'm feeling very like anxious since yesterday and today. I don't know why. So I'm just trying to get out of that and not give into it, I guess. All right, so my hair is done. That's what I'm gonna do to it because I'm gonna come back and shower, obviously. Some lip balm. I literally can't go without my Aquaphor. I already put on some sunscreen because you know I'm gonna go outside, try to do like a lap around so I can catch some vitamin D, but let's go. So here's my full outfit. I'm wearing these free runs from Nike, my water, and like this little bag for my stuff.
I think that I could fuck the idea him out of your mind. He said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind, good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you gotta mind. My baby.
I'm back upstairs and I'm gonna eat. I have my overnight oats. Let me get some honey. I've been eating this for the past couple of weeks just because it's easy to just prep it, you know, and then I just pretty much eat it without having to do any work. I make my overnight oats with just regular like 1 minute oats and almond milk, and then I add like cinnamon powder and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then in the mornings before I eat it, I add some honey to it to make it sweet. I have these little containers from Amazon. My legs are killing me from yesterday. I'm sitting on the floor because obviously I'm kind of dirty from being outside and I don't want to dirty my couch. And I'm feeling good because it's 11:25 and I already went, I walked, I'm eating, and I was gonna shower right away, but I wanted a meal prep. I've been pushing it off. All right, I'm done. I still have some strawberries in there, but I don't want any more. I'm full. Before I start making food, I have to edit a video. And I figured I'd show you guys how I edit my videos because people always ask me. I use the CapCut app right here. Excuse my nail, I have to do them today. So I edit my videos for my sister page and my own personal page, etc. So what you do is once you have the app, you just kind of go on there and click new project and then you import all of your clips. So the one that I'm editing is this one right now. I have my clips already imported in here. I pretty much edit things like the same way, but for our sister page, we sometimes try to do something different. For example, like here I have a little effect, which is like a speed effect. So to do that, I just click on the actual clip, then I click on speed. And then instead of hitting, you can do normal, that way you can speed it up just in a normal like linear way. But if you don't want that, you can just hit to curve, and curve has a bunch of different types of speed. So right now I have the montage on and that's how it looks. You can also edit it to fit your, you know, how you want to do it. I'm playing around with this so I can see what I like best, but it's something that you do if you want to make your videos kind of cooler or whatever. I don't usually do that for my own personal videos. Right now you see there's a bunch of clips, because I went in and cropped them. But what you do when you have your video, when you import it, you pretty much have a long video like this, and then you just, you know, stop it where you want to like clip it, and then you just do split. If you like that clip, you split it, etc., etc. You can undo, and then once you actually have your clips, kind of like this for example, or this one's like 2.2 seconds, you can see that up there. And then if you want it to be longer or like shorter, you can just drag it and bring it to the time that you want. So that's pretty much all I do. I just import my clip, and then I start splitting the clips that I actually want. And then after that, I go ahead and just adjust the duration of each clip, and then obviously export it. So I have to do that for this. Then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the actual like exporting options. Okay, so I'm done. I usually watch it a lot. You can just click this button right here to kind of fill the screen, and then you can watch it. So I kind of just cropped it a little bit. I added some pictures, and then, you know, that's kind of what I have so far. I don't know why that's there. I usually delete that because I don't like that kappa at the end. So I went ahead and made the clips like, I think 0.7. These are usually 0.5s, like just showing the actual items from like Amazon or from wherever they're from. So I have that so far. It's just like a draft. Now I'm gonna export it to my sisters, see if they like it. So what I do is I go up here, I film everything in 4K 60 frames per second. So that's what I exported as. So I go to the 4K 60, and then this is never on for me. Why is that on today? Yeah, I have this off, so that's weird. So then I just hit this button, and then I wait for it to export. So once that's done, I'm gonna send it to them, see if they like it. If they don't, I'll adjust. My settings for video are 4K 60. Back camera, always make sure you always clean your camera, and then that's it. The way that your videos come out will depend on how you film it, so that's different for everybody. If you have something on your bed and you're filming it with your hands, it might come out a little shaky. You have to control that. If you have like a tripod and you have it like a certain way, depending on the angle that you have, it's going to, you know, make your video good or not as good, because you can know how to edit it, but if you don't have good clips, then obviously that's not going to help you. So make sure you always have your camera center clean, like your lenses are always clean, your camera's always at an angle that you wanted. Always use a flattering angle as well. If you know you don't like how you look from like this angle, don't put your camera down here where you're standing up, you know, just things like that. There's obviously a learning curve, just because, you know, when you first start, you don't really know what you like or what your vibe is. So you're going to just evolve as time goes on. So if I look at my old videos, I'm like, what was I doing? And they're not terrible, but for me, I'm just like, no. And I'm pretty sure in a couple years, I'll look back at these videos that I'm posting now and be like, what was I thinking with those like angles? You just evolve. You just kind of figure out what you like. See, like right now, my camera's crooked, like crazy. But it's not that terrible since I'm just kind of vlogging. My camera's about to die. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just work on your angles, and then the editing is just not that hard. You can also look it up on YouTube if you have any questions, or like on TikTok, there's lots of tutorials out there. And yeah, but you don't have to do all that crazy editing. You can just do the basic, split your content, make it, you know, the amount, and then just add music to it on the apps, and that makes it what it's supposed to be. If you guys want me to do like a more, I don't know, in-depth video of like maybe editing for YouTube, let me know and I'll do that for you guys as well. But yeah, I'm doing some laundry because I've been putting it off. Like I said, I've been lazy and just not on my game. So I just kind of haven't really been in the mood to do chores. Using my OxyClean, my Downy. Now we gotta add the clothes in. Alexa, turn it up by 1.
Hey, the smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these reasons, so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch. She creaming on me, I'm a crush. The photos don't need a retouch. She asking why haven't I none? I didn't know we're in a rush. Enjoying the moment, so hush. My album is paying the bills. I don't even need a deluxe. My stomach is flat as fuck. She still fit that shit in the gut somehow. The fat must have went in the butt somehow. I don't even ask her what's up. She saying that shit is natural. I don't care if she making it up. I never put you in no Uber, girl. I'm always gonna send you a truck. I'm always gonna keep it a buck. You give me that shit and I'm steady on my ways.
Okay, so we're done. It's literally 4:30. It's insane. It took me forever. I don't know why, but whatever. So we have some food prepped. I have 4 of the same plates here. So it's just rice with the chicken and the eggplant that I put in the oven. And then I have the ground turkey over there. I have my breakfast and I have a green juice. So that's that. I'm gonna just use the ground turkey to make whatever sides, like a tortilla or whatever I'm in the mood for at the time, so I don't eat the same thing for too long. That's it. I pretty much cleaned up. I just have to do my dishwasher and then finally take a shower. So I showered. I finally feel fresh and clean, but I'm exhausted. My feet are killing me from standing for so long. But I'm folding laundry right now and I have another load in. I just have like 3 loads to do, so it should be done in an hour or so. But I just want to fold this up and then I'm gonna go dry my hair, which I don't even want to do, but I have to. If I go to bed like this, I will literally wake up sick tomorrow.
They riding around town and they looking for my face. Gotta pray to God above me, girl, you know this savage life.
Time to get my hair done. I'm gonna put in my rosemary water for growth because my hair has been falling out a lot. Maybe because stress, I don't know, but no bueno. So I kind of missed a couple days, but I put it on every day for like a week and a half. And maybe it's placebo effect, but I was like, oh my God, I'm seeing some results. Definitely I haven't seen my hair kind of fall out as much as it was falling. But I'm also not straightening it. I've taken a break for like 2 weeks now, where I'm just like styling it or leaving it curly because it doesn't curl anymore. Yeah, just trying to give my hair a break, but we're gonna have to blow dry it tonight. I can't go to bed like this. Okay, so rosemary water in, and I'm gonna be trying some new products to help with my styling. So I'm gonna put the Olaplex number 6. I use it all the time, so this one's not new. I'm only gonna do a little bit because whenever I do a lot, my hair gets greasy very fast. So I'm just gonna put it on the ends. And then I'm also gonna use the Dream Coat. I've used this before. I haven't been using it at all just because I was doing my hair at the salon. So I was pretty much just letting my mom just put whatever in my hair, like whatever products at the salon. But I'm doing it myself, so I'm gonna just use this because I know it helps with my straightening. And then I'm also gonna try the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, which I haven't used before. It just says to apply it to damp hair, 2 pumps. It's supposed to just, you know, be good for your hair. 2 pumps. It says to wait like 10 minutes before blow drying, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna use my Revlon, which I haven't used in a long time. I think I probably shouldn't use it just because it's not the best for your hair, in my opinion. I feel like that was what got my hair to be super thin because I just used that, and I think that kind of burns your hair. But I don't want to blow dry with the blow dryer because I'm gonna be here forever. I'm not really good at blow drying my own hair with the blow dryer. It takes me a long time and it doesn't come out properly because I don't have enough practice with it. Okay, so I waited long enough. I'm going to use a heat protectant. I'm using this one, if it'll focus. I haven't used it before, but let's see. This is the before.
Trying to be the one for you, but my nickname true, and I hope that I can change.
Here's the after. It took me like 27 minutes to do. That's that. My hair is super like broken off. You would think I have bangs. I don't. It's just that these pieces right here in the front, they're just short because of my highlights. So I'm thinking about going back to black, but I know if I go black, then I can't go back to light. So like without bleaching, and I don't want to bleach because I already did that and my hair it's breaking. See all these flyaways right here? I don't know if you can see it, but either way. Anywho, let me pick up this mess now. All right, guys, so I put my hair up in this bun thing so I can have like some waves, curls tomorrow. And that's pretty much it for today. It's been a long day and I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go to my bed and plan out my day for tomorrow and just watch some YouTube, maybe read my book and call it a night early. It's actually 8:36. I'm proud of myself. We did a lot today. I'm trying to be on my Zoom. So hopefully tomorrow is a good day too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Girl, you know that savage love you. Girl, you know that savage love you. Gotta turn my bitch.